We want to say a huge thank you for giving us a gift of a better life and a wonderful school. You work hard to make sure we have what we need, and you always make sure we can learn and grow in a safe and happy place. Because of you, we get to enjoy learning new things, make friends, and chase our dreams. Thank you for always supporting us and making our lives better every day. We love you and are so grateful for everything you do for us. Happy family!